Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. What if I tell you that you can play PUBG on your laptop or your computer? Okay, this is very exciting, and you must be thinking like how we can play PUBG on a computer, because many times we see that on a mobile screen the controls are not that useful, and it becomes difficult for the people who are habituated to play games on a computer or a big screen. They will not be able to properly play games on mobile. So here is a way I can tell you by which you can simply download and install PUBG in your laptop or your computer and play smooth. Okay, so this is I can show you. This is a Tencent gaming buddy. You have to download this, and then you can start playing PUBG here. Okay, so here it's currently loading. So I will tell you how to play, how to download this. So I have given this link. I will share this link in my description. So all you have to do is you have to copy this link, and you have to open this link on your web browser. So this is the browser. You can enter this URL over here, and this screen will open. So what you have to do is you have to just select the public beta version. So you just click on download, and it will start the download process. So once you click it, it will download this file in your system, and from where you can directly start. So this is the download that you will be getting. Once you click on that, once you get the download, you will get this Tencent gaming buddy install. Okay, so this will install PUBG on your system. Okay, so yeah, so you can see this will open this console and start installing in your system. Okay, so you see this is already downloaded in my system. Okay, so as we can see, it is already downloaded. So what you can do is it will open this console, and you can start downloading. It will take, if your network connection is good, it will take like 5 to 10 minutes to download and install. So once it is installed, you can directly start playing. Okay, so this is how you can directly start playing PUBG in your laptop. So okay, so this is what it is starting. So that's all I wanted to share in this tutorial. Make sure that you have enough RAM and space to play this game, because this is a high definition game, and if your specifications are low, it will be very slow. Okay, so enjoy the game, and thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please comment and share, and let me know what you feel. And here it is saying that people, your team and you will be paired with player using emulator. So people who are downloaded this game using this console, and who are using this emulator, Tencent gaming buddy emulator, they only will be paired with you, and you will be able to play with them. Okay, so this is all you do, in your mobile. So that's all I wanted to share. And so here you will have to set up your keys first, because at the beginning you may feel that the controls are not understandable. So you have to set up your keys. You can go to keys, and you can set up your keys, okay, as per your own choice. If this is the key setup, so you can set up your keys, and you can, as per your choice, assign it. Okay, so if you like this video, please share with your friends, and please comment and let me know what do you feel about this. Okay, thanks for watching.